imagine generating 10 or more files at a time all in one go. So to do this, just go to the class record generator and fill out the different tab settings. Once you're done, for my example, I've already filled out the learners, I've assigned the teachers, and I've already assigned them for each subject. So once you're done, like I am, you can now generate the class records. So to start, go to the row that you would like to generate. So currently, we are in school year 2023 to 2024. So if you check, I still don't have that folder here in my Google Drive. And then go to the grade section advisors and go to the row that you like to generate. Run the add-on from the extensions, and then under class record generator, click create class sheets. So yes, I am sure I want to create for grade 7 section A. So in the background, what's happening is the script will create a folder, and then inside a folder, the script will create individual class sheet for grade 7 for all the different subjects. So grade 7, we have section A, and then starting with section A, the program will then create the class records per subject. So let's double check how many subjects there are for grade 7A. So if we go to the teachers by grade, you'll see here that the total number of subjects listed are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So we should see 11 subject sheets, 1 class consolidated sheet, and then 1 attendance sheet. So this can take around about 4 to 5 minutes depending on the population. So right now what I'm trying to do is create the subject sheets, and each subject sheet should have all the learner information for grade 7A. So if we check here the class roster, I should see 1 to 7. So I should be able to see 21 records for 7A. So to register running this program, you can actually close the tab and it will still run in the background, or they can also choose to generate another section. Say for example, I also want to generate 8A. I'll just go to the row and then run the extension again. So you can create concurrent class sheets for the same school year. So you can see the progress in Google Drive itself, or you can just wait until the script notifies you that it has completed running, and the folder for that section will appear in this particular cell. Let me open one class sheet that has been generated. So the class sheet here is for the subject Bible. So as you can see, it's assigned to Efren Silva, and the advisor is Alan Austria. The details that you can see in the information sheet is taken from the information listed in the class generator sheet. So as you can see, it's assigned to this email address, and if you go to the teachers tab, you'll also see the name of that teacher. So here, so that's the reason why you can see that the subject Bible is assigned to Alan Austria. And then let's double check the names. So we should see 21 students just to count. So here, so all the names of the students are listed for this subject, and it should also reflect for the conduct grades, conduct tabs and grade tabs for all the grading quarters. There you go. So our script is working really hard creating these sheets. So right now, it has completed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 12 files. I think it's about done, almost done. Let's go back. Once the script finishes running, a pop-up window will appear notifying that it's complete. So it's actually that simple. So typically, a teacher will spend a couple of minutes just copy and pasting all the needed information, and each teacher would have to do this process. But in using the class record generator automated add-on, we can centralize the process to the registrar, for example, that handles all the enrollment, and the generation of the files now become a property of the school, because you need to use your Google Workspace account or your Google for Education Plus account in order to run this add-on. So let's double check now. So as you can see, it created two folders. One is for sheets that contains the different class records for each subject. Aside from the subject class record, there is a consolidated sheet called report card data, and there's also an attendance sheet that where the advisor only has access. So the good thing about having to use Google Sheet is that only the teachers assigned to those class records could see the class records. So we only share the sheet or the subject class record sheet to the teacher assigned. So for example, for TLE, as you can see, the subject is TLE. It's shared to bespoke user, tester 1, tester 11, and tester 3. So if we double check, so TLE, you'll see in under the teachers by grade sheet that it's assigned to bespoke 3. So it's now I'm also done with section with grade level 8. So bespoke 3. So bespoke 3 is tester 3. Tester 1 and tester 11 has access because tester 1 is the class advisor and tester 11 is the registrar. So that's the reason why they have view only access to the sheet. That's it. Within a few minutes, all the class records has been created. Thank you for listening.